Hello everyone, I'm DW and today we'll be looking at a DIY Barbie beach house. This house was made because of a tiny dollhouse challenge from my sister. The materials used to make this project can be found in the description below. Always be sure to have adult supervision when using hot and/or sharp objects. The structure of the house was designed to use as few cuts as possible. Various parts of the outside of the house have been covered with blue wood grain scrapbook paper. I chose the blue because it reminds me of the water at the beach. The front porch is covered in a worn wood paper. There is a seashell from a beach visit on the porch, along with a sticker which reads, "At the beach." The living room floor is done in a natural wood grain scrapbook paper. On the back wall is a sticker of a sailboat. The front door, which does open and close, has craft seashells as the handles. There are also other beach-themed stickers on the inside wall. The chair is made of fabric, stuffing, foam board, tacky glue, and straight pins. Because tiny houses need extra storage, the seat of the chair opens for that purpose. The bookshelf is made of balsa wood, foam board, tacky glue, and straight pins. The seashells on the shelf are craft shells, but the one on the top of the shelf came from another beach visit. The kitchen floor is made of a blue, gray, and white patterned scrapbook paper. The cat came from a Barbie accessory pack. And while I'd love to take credit for making this adorable kitchen unit, I can't. My sister who runs the Boo Honey Boutique made it. The unit is made of balsa wood and craft foam. The sink is a condiment cup with beads for the water controls and wire for the faucet. The stove door has plastic packaging and a magnet to help it stay shut. The refrigerator is also under the countertop, much like compact Barbie houses. The pizza, burrito, and pie were also made by my sister. And as usual, if it has a handle, it opens. The one thing I did make in this kitchen is the floral display, which is a wooden cap with artificial flowers hot glued in. The cabinets were also made by my sister, and yes, they open. To top off the kitchen, we've got a sticker of a beach chair. I mean, who doesn't love a relaxing beach chair? To get from the bottom floor to the upstairs, the dolls can use the ladder, which is made of balsa wood and miniature popsicle sticks. The ladder has been glued in place using tacky glue because it dries completely clear. The bathroom floor and shower are covered in marble scrapbook paper. The shower also has strips of mirror scrapbook paper accents. A part of a jewelry clasp serves as the water controls, while an earring piece and the other piece of the jewelry clasp make up the shower head. The floating sink is made of foam board covered in the same paper as the shower and a plastic napkin holder. The water controls are the same as the shower, and an earring piece is the faucet. The toilet also uses the same paper as the shower and the floor. The toilet bowl is a plastic napkin holder with craft foam glued to the top and bottom. The hinge for the toilet lid was made with a coffee straw and a toothpick so that the lid will open and close. The bedroom floor is the same natural wood grain scrapbook paper as the living room. There is also a lighthouse sticker on the back wall. All of the stickers came from the same package, which had a beach theme. The doll is sitting on a day bed made of foam board and covered with scrapbook paper. The bed has a padded mattress, hand-stuffed pillows, and a felt blanket. There is also a handmade crochet throw on the bed. And again, because this is a tiny house, the bed does open for additional storage. The doll is a hybrid of a Barbie head and a Disney Descendants body. I got the idea from my Froggy stuff. Thanks, Froggy. The desk is made of a jewelry box, foam board, balsa wood, and skinny sticks. The stool is made of foam board, balsa wood, and covered in scrapbook paper. The little cube of the desk was again made by my sister with another project, but I thought it would be perfect for miniature books. Some of the miniature books were handmade and others were purchased at the craft store. The laptop came from a Barbie accessory pack and the seashell came from yet another beach visit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you've enjoyed my video. If you guys would like more information or like to watch me actually build something, click like or subscribe or leave a comment in the comment section. Again, thank you so much.